Hello everybody, Joe here, Soggy Bottom Forge. So today, I'm going to try something a little bit different. I need to build a new stand for the anvil, because that one's rotting out, soft, too soft on top. So I have the two pieces of 4x6 over there. I'll cut those to length. I have three 3-foot pieces of 3/8 inch all thread. And where did I put it? Up here. Nuts and washers. I've already spent more on the anvil stand than I have on the entire building. So, just in this hardware here, the wood was free. So, I'm going to try something different here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop this, get the wood out. I'm going to start recording. I'm going to plug in my ears. I'm going to listen to the Forgecast with Sam and Alex from Towns Bladesmith and Valhalla Ironworks. I'll try to figure this out. So if I can figure out the links, I'll put the cards over there. If not, I'll put them down in the description. I'll also put the link to the Forgecast down there. Great Forgecast. So I'm going to be listening to that today, working on this. As soon as I get the anvil stand situated, if I have enough time left over, I'm going to start working on my tom blanks. Because I only have one set finished, and I've had them almost a year now. I got them for my birthday last year, and my birthday is at the end of this month. So, need to get that going. What else? Well, that's it for right now. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this, get it rearranged, and I'll be back. Alrighty guys, so I'm getting ready to start building on this. I got it marked off for the first cut. I'm going to skip in time lapse and get this thing put together. Alright everybody, so this is where I'm at. I got it tacked up and I started welding, but revenge of the cheap welder. I can only weld for a few minutes and it overheats and turns off, so. Anyway, that's kind of what I'm looking at for right now. Alright everybody, so I'm back. Turns out it wasn't the welder that popped, it was the power strip right there. Anyway, I got it plugged straight into the extension cord now. I need to weld this side, this side, this side. I need to cut this one off because the gap is too tight over here. Expand it a little bit and re-weld that corner bracket, which just fuck those two welds. Actually, I should probably do that before I weld this one. So I'm going to do some welding. I'll bring you back once I get it figured out and weld it together. I got the anvil flipped up again on the bottom so I can clamp it here and be able to test the fit. So I will be right back. Alright everybody, so I got it welded up and I'm going to go ahead and get this video finished up. I'll give you a quick look at it. I'm not going to get too close in on the welds because they're not good welds. They're solid, they're going to stay. I still don't have it anchored down. And I still need to replace the screws and the anvil plate. Let's see if I can get you turned around here. It is welded up. It's all in one piece. Still need to get it anchored. Still need to replace these two, 4 screws. Actually changed my idea on that. Because I got those extra lengths of all thread. Let's use this short one here. Still 3/8, which is the size lag bolt that I was looking for. What I'm thinking is, drill that out, drill all the way down through to the other side, and then do a countersink here where I can put a nut and washer, get it set, to the right length. Weld it on here, grind it, make that nice and smooth, clean these corners up obviously. So you'll have your plate with your thread welded on, nuts and washers over here to tighten it down, and that should lock it in there pretty good. I just need to get a drill bit long enough to go all the way through. So that's going to have to wait, and I need to get anchors and a concrete bit so I can anchor to the floor itself. But right now, it's there. It's not going to fall over, not too easily. Unfortunately, I can put my foot right on one of these flanges and it won't move on me. Need to forge a wedge it in a couple places along here so it'll lock it into the frame, and it should be good to go. Just wanted to get this done before Tuesday, because Tuesday is my birthday, and I want to use it. So, thanks for coming along. Joe here, Soggy Bottom Forge. Peace, and I'm out.